else can I get for you?
Yeah, can I get a Baconator, just a sandwich with no... the double?
What else can I get for you?
Can I get no ketchup on that?
Okay.
That'll be it.
That'll be $7.47.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
4 for 4. Get the 4 for 4, where you get 4 more scores with a door. Chicken nuggets or chili that feeds 6 for $10. I mean, them nuggets are pretty good. Get the 4 for 4 of 4 doors and cores. Store the war for the 4 for 4.
$7.47.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright.
Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. Ooh, it smells like grease. Nice and greasy. That's what it smells like.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Let's see how this thing looks. I mean, if you're in America, you've probably had at least one of these and know what it looks like, so. But, we gotta take a look again. Oh, ask for no ketchup, and they put extra ketchup. Can I get no ketchup on that? Or they only put ketchup? Okay, whatever, dude. Here it is. Looks mushed. Doesn't look bad, though. It looks like, it looks like a burger. It looks like it's worth $7. It's supposed to have 3 strips of bacon per patty, but I see 2. There's a slice of garbage between each burger, and they're quarter-pound patties with an ass of ketchup for some reason. The hardest part is going to be this bun. It is very shiny, like it's it's coated in something, probably cheap oil, if I had to take a guess. I'm going to do something controversial. That was very bland. It tastes like they didn't season the meat at all. I don't know why. I know they usually do. I didn't taste the bacon. I kind of tasted the cheese. The bun's what's throwing it off. The bun's kind of gross. It's like super sweet and just not great. I think I can do a better job in general. Like, even if I wasn't making this a carnivore version, I could do a much better job than wherever the hell this is. But that's neither here nor there. I gotta make a carnivore version. So let's get started with that. How about we do that? I'm sitting here eating the burger patty, and there's just something not good. I don't know if it's the bacon. Oh, it's the bacon. Ooh. What's up with this bacon? It's so weird. I'm just gonna not eat it. Yeah. Alright, anyways, let's make this thing. To start, we need to brown about 6 ounces of ground beef so that we end up with 4 ounces of cooked ground beef in the end. Drain the grease and place it into a food processor, along with 1 ounce of cream cheese, 6 eggs, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Process this on low for about 1 minute. Here, you'll think you've made a mistake, and that's because you have. Haha! I got you to make a recipe that isn't very effective. If you want, while you're watching this first one not working, add 1 ounce of ground pork rinds by weight to your mixture. Here it is in the pan for reference. It definitely had more structure, but it still wasn't the way I wanted it. For the actual recipe, get a pan lined with a silicone baking mat or parchment paper. Place down a 3-inch ring mold that's either non-stick or has been well greased. Place about 1/3 cup of your batter into these. Put this into a 365° Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes or until it is firm and brown. Wendys burger patties for the normal Baconator are 4 ounces each. So take your 4-ounce meat wads and begin to shape them into squares. I would say take all of your meat and spread it out to a 1/2 inch thick and then cut it into squares, but Wendys doesn't cut corners and neither do we. Look at how square this is. Wendys also uses applewood smoked bacon, which is a weird choice because hickory smoked is obviously the superior wood used for bacon. Cook up 3 slices and cut them in half. Now to cook our burgers, we'll put the pan over medium-high heat and begin to press it down to get a better sear. Once they are cooked to your liking, add a slice of trash to each, along with 3 strips of bacon on each. Turn one burger so that the bacon is the opposite way of the other and place it on top. Set aside while we get this ridiculously nice looking bun out of the oven. Split this in half and be amazed at how good it looks. Baconators have ketchup and mayo on them, but feel free to skip that if you don't want it. I just happen to have a jar of avocado mayo in the fridge. The way this thing looks is absolutely mind-blowing, and it looked like a burger from a commercial, and I was very happy to see it like this. But how does it taste? It tastes even better than the actual Baconator in my opinion. I don't know if it's from the type of meat I used, or if the fact that it actually seasoned it and didn't put extra ketchup on it. But this was genuinely much better than the bite I had from the restaurant. I'm not biased, you're biased. Well, that's it. Do you have anything else you want to see me trash form into carnivore? Leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a like. If you want to see more, please consider subscribing. It's totally free and keeps me motivated to continue to make these videos. Stay trashy, my friends.